Hey, what's up, YouTube? Today we have the Blizzard Glacier, the latest ball out by Swag. It is asymmetrical pearl. It has RG25 2.506, differential 0.051, and the mass bias 0.030. It has a Blizzard core that's been around for a while in the Louisville brand, and it has the newest cover stock out, the up one cover, and it's the pearl. If I didn't say that already. We're gonna take it here on the lane today and check it out. I have thrown it a little bit in tournament, and I really like it. Okay, I'm just starting out for the day. It's my first shot of the day. Just warming up. If you like the jersey I'm wearing, you can check it out at butterfly.com. Use my discount code Diallo10. And the tape is by Lane Master. We're gonna start all the way right. See, standing on 10, and we're gonna go up 5. First shot of the day. Hooking already. So we're gonna move 5 over. You see we were standing on 10. We're gonna move to 15. We're gonna move to 15, and we're gonna throw it out to 5. Okay, let's move on some more. So we're gonna stand on 20, and we're gonna throw it down 7. This ball really gets going, so we're gonna move over to 25. We're gonna move over to 25, and we're gonna go down 10. Ball is nice. Let's move over a little bit more. We'll go over to 30, and we're gonna go up 12. Okay, now I'm getting out of my comfort zone a little bit. We're gonna go to 30, and we're gonna go up 15. Missed it. Still struck. Let's try getting it out a little bit. We're gonna stay on 30, and we're gonna go out to 10. See if it comes back. Nope. Too far out. Okay, let's stay here at 30, but let me slow it down a little bit. And we're gonna go down 12. Okay, let me stand in my comfort zone. Let's see. I'm gonna lay it down a little early. We stand on 25, and we're gonna go up 7. Let's move on a little bit more. Okay, let's go to 28 and go up 15. I'm sorry, go up 10. 28 to 10. So there you have it. That's the Blizzard Glacier, asymmetrical pearl, up one hybrid, up one cover stock. Available now. Visit www.californiabowlingllc.com or bowlerx.com or insidebowling.com. Thanks for checking out my review.